In this video we will talk about how you can share a same post to other channels. For example, here as you can see, it's a computer lesson post here, and this is a meeting link basically. But for example, if you want to share same link in other sections of your class, then how would you do that? Just go to your post sections. This is a post section here, as you can see, and go to that post that you want to share to other channels also, same post, and just hover your mouse over the post that you want to share. For example, here as you can see, I am when I hover my mouse over this post, over this particular post, this more options button or option would be visible to you. Click on it and click on edit option, and here you will see a format option here. Click on this format option, and this post in multiple channels option will appear in front of you. Click on this option, and here as you can see, currently this particular post has been shared in this class, highlighted in blue, and in this channel of this class. Okay, when you will hover over this blue area, it will show the name of this class also. And for example, how would you add other channels here? Just click on select channels, and from here you can find other classes or channels to which you want to post this same link or this same post. For example, same post I want to share in this class 8 students also. I will go here and I will select my relevant channel ICT here, and I will click on update, and here see this particular channel has been also added here. And by with the help of this method, in you can share same post to the multiple channels. Just after adding all of the required channels, click this done option here. Don't forget to click on this tick option. Okay, and that's it. Thank you very much.